Today, we're cutting through one of the most misunderstood ideas out there, critical thinking. Everyone talks about it, schools preach it, employers demand it, but very few people can actually define it. Hi everyone, Shirley here from AXSIOM. So, let's get clear. Critical thinking is not debating where two people throw opinions at each other, trying to win. But nobody's actually clarifying the words or the facts. It's not memorizing, where you cram information into your head without ever understanding what it really means. And it's not spitting out quick answers, where speed is mistaken for intelligence, when in reality you're just reacting instead of thinking. At AXSIOM, we do it differently. Critical thinking is a method, a step-by-step process that allows real judgment to take place. Here's how it works. Step 1. Observe. Observe means to look directly at the thing being discussed. Like look at an apple, then look at a banana. No ideas, no opinions, no emotions, just what's in front of you. And sometimes what you're observing isn't even physical. It could be something intangible, like a promise. You can't hold it in your hand, but you can observe the words used, the tone of the voice, and the actions that follow. Step 2, duplicate. Duplicate means make an exact copy in your own mind of what's being said. Not your opinion, not your ideas, just what was actually said. For example, an apple and a banana are the same. Step 3, clear the words. That's one of the first steps, because if the words are unclear, there can be no critical thinking. So in this case, you would clear up the words apple, banana, and same. Step 4, evaluate. Now you weigh the facts. You look at similarities, differences, and identities. Here's where intelligence comes in, because intelligence is the ability to see differences, similarities, and identities. So let's evaluate. An apple and a banana are both fruits. That's a similarity. They're different colors, different textures, and grow differently. That's differences. Are they the same? No. That's identity. At this evaluation step, you also make your choice. You can reject it, keep it, or do whatever is true for you. Step 5, judgment. Only after you've observed, duplicated, cleared, and evaluated can you make a sound judgment. Without this process, your so-called critical thinking is just reaction. Let's apply this to something bigger. Take the question, are men the same as women? Step 1, observe. Look at men, look at women directly. Step 2, duplicate. The claim is men and women are the same. Step 3, clear the words. What do we mean by men? What do we mean by woman? What do we mean by same? Step 4, evaluate. Biologically, there are differences. Socially, there are similarities and overlaps. Step 5, judgment. Now you can decide based on facts and definitions what's true for you. And here's another real-life example. Social media headline. Chocolate cures depression. Without critical thinking, you might share it instantly. But let's apply the method. Observe. Read the actual study. Duplicate. The study says a small correlation was found. Clear the words. What does correlation mean? What does cure mean? Evaluate. Correlation is not causation. Eating chocolate might feel good, but it doesn't cure depression. Judgment. The headline is misleading. See the difference? Without critical thinking, you're a pawn. With it, you're free. And this is why critical thinking matters so much. It's not about being cynical. It's about being precise. It's about freeing yourself from confusion, manipulation, and blind reaction. And if you want to take this deeper, go to AXSIOM.com and sign up for the Smart But Stuck, the Hidden Hack to Real Learning course. That's where I'll train you step by step to become an expert critical thinker, so you never get trapped by sloppy ideas, unclear words, or manipulative headlines again. So here's my challenge to you. Take one idea you've always accepted and run it through these steps. Observe it, duplicate it, clear the words, evaluate the similarities, the differences, and the identities. Then make your judgment. See what shifts for you. And don't miss the next video where we'll dig into the real power of truth. I'll show you how understanding truth doesn't just give you clarity, it gives you confidence. The kind of confidence that anchors every decision and cuts through doubt.